In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank canvas to an AI-generated starting point you can build on quickly and clearly. Start by opening FigJam. This is the collaborative whiteboard space within Figma where FigJam AI lives. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace and files. The goal is simply to get to a board where you can use the AI prompt, so keep your focus there. Next, head to Recents. This view shows your most recently opened files and boards, which makes it the quickest place to jump back into ongoing work. Choose the FigJam board you want to work in from here. Using Recents keeps you from digging around folders and helps you get to the prompt area faster. Now you'll see the space where you can describe your idea and bring it to life. Think of this as your creative brief to the AI. The clearer your description, the better the result. Tell it what you want to create and why. Mention the format you expect, such as a brainstorming map, a meeting agenda, or a user flow. Include any constraints or details that matter, like the audience, timeline, or number of sections. Specificity saves time later. Go ahead and type what you want the AI to create. Use action-oriented phrases and include context. For example, instead of writing marketing plan, try create a one-page kickoff agenda for a 45-minute marketing brainstorm with 5 discussion topics and sticky notes for ideas under each. You can name the key themes you care about in any structure you want, like headings, columns, or groups. If you have a tone or style in mind, concise, exploratory, or stepwise, add that too. When your prompt looks good, click Make It. This is where the magic happens. FigJam AI will translate your words into visual content on the board. You might see sticky notes, clusters, headings, or outlines arranged in a way that matches your request. The first draft is meant to get you moving, so don't worry if it's not perfect. You'll be able to adjust anything afterward. Now, wait for it to load. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and the size of the board, this can take a bit of time. The best thing you can do here is be patient and let the generation finish. If your request was long or detailed, that extra moment is normal. That's it. You've opened FigJam, used Recents to get into your board, described your idea, typed your prompt, clicked Make It, and waited for the results. You're ready to start iterating